Now that your team is all registered for the Rockin' for Good Friend Bowling fundraiser, it's time to get the fundraising portion set up. Good Friend Inc. is again using GoFundMe Charity as the portal to do all of your fundraising online. A link to that is found right on the events page just under the keyboard. Click on the hyperlink Good Friend Inc. GoFundMe Charity. This will take you to the main page for the entire event. People can make a general donation that does not go specific to any team. But if you want to collect team donations, you will need to click join and get your team fundraiser set up. So create your own team. Because I used this last year for the Rockin' for Good Friend event, I already was able to log in using my username and password. If you haven't set one of those up yet, you can do that very easily. Just a simple username and password is all that they need, and then you'll be taken to this page. Come up with a fun team name, as every team is going to be given some graphics based on their team name from Good Friend Inc., and come up with your team fundraising goal. Good Friend Inc. has put their story inside of the team story to help to simplify things for you. However, now or at any point during your GoFundMe charity time, you can adjust the story. Click Next and your team will be created. Then you're not done there. You have the opportunity to customize this page in a variety of ways. But it's as easy as that. Your campaign is ready by just putting in that simple information, and an email has been sent to you as well. But I want to make some edits to my team. The photo that you're seeing here is the photo that I used from last year, but I want to put a new image in there. So I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to upload a new image that I have already saved to my computer desktop. We will give you a custom graphic in the size that you need so that it fits nice into the box. Then you have many opportunities to edit the images, edit the story, go ahead and upload a video to YouTube and add that to your page to really add that extra layer. And then all you got to do to start getting in those donations is share, share, share. Use the links to share or tweet, or you can even share via email and send this to all of your friends and family so that you can get those donations in for Good Friend. As always, Good Friend is available if you have any questions on how to create this.